Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Carol, a Ugandan girl working and living in UAE. Today's vlog, you are going to be spending a Saturday morning with me. My bosses went to Dubai for a weekend, so we are home alone and I'm going to be doing some stuff. I'm going to be cleaning some little things that we don't do like daily, as you're going to see in this vlog. And guess what, besties? I was accepted. My bosses gave me the permission to start filming while I'm cleaning or while I'm doing anything in the house, but there are places that I'm restricted English. I'm restricted to film. So I'm so happy because this is like, this is like an answered prayer, because now I'm not going to be running out of content. Yeah, so guys, get ready to be seeing me cleaning. As you know, guys, I love cleaning so much, so you are going to be seeing me cleaning, organizing, doing this and that, and this house gives me the energy like to do whatever I want. So I started the vlog with opening the windows. We have birds in the house, you guys. As you can see, there are 3 and they make sound in the morning, and the sound is so relaxing. I love it. So I'm just opening them. In the night we just cover them so that they can sleep peacefully, and in the morning we just remove the cover and clean the whole thing. But today I think I'm not going to clean because it's not that dirty. And then after this, I'm going to be giving my plants some water. You guys, me and my boss went to Carrefour and we bought plants in Ramadan, and she gave them to me that I should be the one taking care of them. So I make sure that I do the needful, you guys. I give them water like after like 6 days or 7 days. I asked ChatGPT. I took a picture of every plant and sent to ChatGPT, asked like how should I take care of them, and ChatGPT gave me the instructions of how I should be taking care of these plants. But there is one that is actually drying. I don't know why, but I keep cutting the leaves that are dry. This one, I don't know why it is drying, but I keep cutting off the leaves. So I don't know if you have any idea of what I should do for it to stop drying. Please comment down below in the comment section and give me some advice. So I love it and I enjoy this so much, you guys. You people, why didn't you tell us that it is so enjoyable? I'm a plant mom now. So another thing that I'm going to be doing, we have a chair. When you enter the house, there's like a chair and it has a tree, like a fake tree for olives. So it is so dirty because whenever kids comes inside, they are just stepping on it with the shoes and everything. So it's so dirty. I'm going to be cleaning it. You can't see that dirty now, but when you're physically here, you can see that it's so dirty. So I'm going to be cleaning it, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be cleaning it and what I'm going to be using to clean this chair. This is like so I'm going to be using water. This is water, plain water, and then I'm going to add in vinegar, like 2 cups of vinegar, and then after this I'm going to add in some baking soda. As you can see, I just use my head to measure the baking soda, so it's up to you. You can put whatever you want, but I just use my head because I'm from Africa. I use my eyes. So, and then I'm going to use a fairy. This is for washing plates, so it is gentle, so it won't spoil the chair. Yeah, that's why I'm using it. And then that's it. That's what I'm going to be using to clean this chair. One last thing that I'm going to be using is this towel. It is very soft, so it won't like spoil the cloth of the chair. Yeah, so I'm not going to be using a brush because brush is hard. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is just dip it in the water and then I start cleaning. They will come,
for anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
I'm done, besties. As you can see, the chair is still wet and nobody's in the home, so the kids are not here. By the time they are back, the chair will be dry. They are coming back tomorrow. So as you can see, I've cleaned it. It is still drying and it is so clean. So what I'm going to do right now is, it's so hot even outside. Even if I don't put AC, it's still going to dry, but I'm just going to put AC so that it can also help in drying this chair. It's so clean, you guys, but I know I'm going to upload this video before it dries, so I will show you once it dries in my other video, like in another video, not this one. So after this, I'm going to be cleaning shoes. We have 4 sides. Each of the shoe rack has 2 sides. So the first side is for the kids and the other side is for my boss, and then the other side, as you're going to see, it is for my boss, the lady. So right now I'm cleaning the side for the kids. I removed all their shoes. These are not all their shoes. Other shoes are also up in their closet. There's also where we put their shoes. These are the shoes they use like on a daily basis, like for school, for going to the masjid, like for going out, like Crocs. And for my boss, it is just for his work, like his work shoes, and for going to the masjid. And for my madam also, it's for just work. The shoes for going for party, everything for traveling, they are not here, they are in another place.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door. Shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the day, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the day, 'cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
The shoes are too much, you guys. It took me like almost like maybe 1.5 hours to clean everything and put them back, but we thank God we did it. So I just cleaned and put them back, but some of the parts I didn't show you cleaning them because the video was going to be so long. So I decided to show you like when I'm removing them and putting them back, or cleaning inside and putting them back. So don't say I didn't see you cleaning. As you can see, everything is so organized and clean.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night, to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't leave room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
So as we are still cleaning the shoes, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for the love and support. For those of you who have been here for a long time, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And I would like to say, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. Share the video with your friends, your grandmas, your aunties, your uncles, your friends even. Tell them to subscribe. You can even send to your enemies and tell them, I know you hate me, but you never know. Watch this girl, maybe you might like her. Yeah. So thank you so much, you guys. Please subscribe, watch the video, like, share the video. We need views, we need to get money, like we need to be paid for our energy, guys. Content creation is not easy, like entertaining you guys, putting out video, editing, doing thumbnail, thinking about the title of the video, the description. Like content creation is a job, you guys, and when you're not being paid enough, like it demotivates you to keep going. So please guys, when you watch, make sure you like. When you like the video, YouTube will recommend it to other people so that other people can watch me and watch the ads so that I can get paid for what I'm doing. Yes. So yeah, thank you so much, you guys, and I hope to see you. If you're new here, please comment down below and say I'm new to the family.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know, and when you don't, when
throwing these shoes because they no longer fit him. Yeah, so guys, that's the end of this video. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe as I have told you, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.